Hi, it's October 1st, 2020. So I usually use this camcorder to record video outside. It does a good job, except it's got an audio artifact. It usually puts a beeping sound in the audio that really can only be heard when you amplify the audio, which I usually have to do in order to hear it, because it doesn't pick up sound very well. And what I wanted to do was to take the USB connector out of this camcorder and put it in my old flip camcorder, which I got on December 27th, 2007. Yep, I've got a digital camcorder now. So the USB connector in it stopped working kind of a long time ago. But this one doesn't have that artifact in it. There's no beeping in the audio. So I kind of wanted to exchange the connectors. Or actually not exchange them, but just put the newer connector in the older camcorder. So this morning I tried to take this apart so I could remove the connector. But I wasn't exactly sure how to do that. So I think I inadvertently damaged it and kind of messed up the screen there. So I'm not sure if it still works. But I decided that I'm just not really going to try bothering with this anymore. I was hoping to be able to use it again someday, after I managed to get the connector replaced. But this is a really old camcorder. It's probably not going to be easy to fix. So I'm just not going to bother with it. So yeah, I guess that's going to do it. I just thought I'd make a video about it. And I guess I'll just go ahead and wrap it up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.